Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture series on VLSI design. Myself, Professor Meenakshi Torse, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, KLS VTIT, Halia. In previous lecture, we discussed CMOS inverter, DC transfer characteristics, beta ratio effects and noise margin. In this lecture, we are going to cover tri-state inverter and threshold voltage. So let's begin with the first concept, tri-state inverter. Tri-state inverter is interconnection of NOT gate and a transmission gate. So let us analyze this by considering few input combinations. So if A is 0, this PMOS transistor turns on, NMOS transistor will be off, and if enable is 0, enable bar will be 1. So 1 going to gate of PMOS transistor will be off, and enable is connected to NMOS transistor whose value is 0, hence this NMOS transistor will be in off state. Therefore, Y is never offered a closed path towards VDD, neither ground, hence Y value will be high impedance. So first combination is analyzed. Similarly, if A is 0, but if enable is 1, enable bar will be 0, A0 PMOS transistor will be in on state, NMOS will be in off state, enable 1, NMOS transistor will turn on, enable bar is 0, hence even PMOS transistor will turn on. Therefore, Y will be shorted to VDD, hence output Y will be logic 1. Similarly, if we analyze for third combination, that is when A is 1, enable 0 and enable bar will be 1, A1 NMOS transistor will be in on state, PMOS will be in off state, enable 0, hence NMOS will be in off state, enable bar 1, this PMOS will be in off state, hence entire TG is in off state, and Y is never offered a closed path towards VDD or towards ground, hence Y will attain a high impedance state. Similarly, for the last combination, when A is 1, enable is 1, entire transmission gate will turn on and Y will be offered a closed path towards ground, hence output Y will be 0. So these two are different configurations of tri-state inverter, and this represents the symbol of tri-state inverter. So now let us draw the stick diagram for tri-state inverter. As mentioned in previous slide, tri-state inverter is a cascaded connection of NOT gate and a transmission gate. So place one PMOS transistor, polysilicon overlapped with P diffusion, polysilicon overlapped with N diffusion over here. So both gates are shorted for NOT gate. Source of PMOS connected to VDD, source of N connected to ground. Both drains of NOT gate are shorted, which gives you output of NOT gate. Output of NOT gate is fed as input to transmission gate. So transmission gate is parallel connection of P transistor and N transistor. So polysilicon overlapped by N diffusion will form a P transistor. Polysilicon overlapped by N diffusion will form a NMOS transistor. Sorry, this has to be enable and this should be enable bar. NOT gate output is fed as input to TG, and both drain terminals of TG are shorted, which gives the output of tri-state inverter. Next we'll be discussing threshold voltage. Threshold voltage is the minimum voltage required to turn on the MOSFET. Threshold voltage is given by VT MOS plus VFB, where VFB stands for flat band voltage. VT MOS is given by 2πB plus QB by Cox, where QB is bulk potential, Cox is oxide capacitance. 5B is bulk potential and QB is bulk charge, where 5B is given by KT by Q ln of Na by Ni. Na and Ni are the doping concentrations. Na is the doping concentration, Ni is the carrier concentration, and KT by Q is the thermal equivalent voltage. Once we substitute K value, that is Boltzmann constant, 1.38 into 10 raised to minus 23 joule per Kelvin, and temperature as 300 Kelvin, and Q value as 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulombs. KT by Q value will be approximately 26 millivolts, and the bulk charge value is given by square root of 2Q ESI Na into 2πB, where ESI is 11.8 times of epsilon naught, permittivity of silicon. So substituting VT MOS 5B and QB, this will be the formula of VT, where VFB is given by 5ms minus QFC by Cox. 5ms is the work function and QFC is the fixed charge, and Cox is the oxide capacitance. Oxide capacitance is given by Eox by Tox, where Eox stands for permittivity of oxide and Tox is thickness of oxide layer. So this will be the formula for threshold voltage. And with body effect, the formula of threshold voltage will be Vt equals to Vt naught n plus gamma, that is body effect parameter, into square root of 2πB plus Vsb minus square root of 2πB. So this body effect parameter will be discussed in the next slide. This body effect parameter will increase the threshold voltage of a MOSFET device, and this body effect occurs if source and bulk are at different potentials. So let us solve few problems on threshold voltage. So the problem statement is calculate threshold voltage for an N transistor at 300 Kelvin with Na doping concentration 1.8 into 10 raised to 16 per centimeter cube and gate oxide thickness of 200 angstrom. Assume 5ms is minus 0.9 volt and QFC equals to 0. So the given data is as follows. Temperature is given as 300 Kelvin and oxide thickness is 200 angstroms. So converting angstroms to meters will be 200 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. 1 angstrom is 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Since doping concentration is in centimeters, so we'll convert all these meter into centimeter. So thickness will be 200 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeters. So before we calculate Vt, we need to calculate oxide capacitance, 5B bulk potential, and QB, that is bulk charge. So Cox is Eox by Tox, and permittivity of oxide is 3.9 times of epsilon naught by Tox, where epsilon naught value is 8.854 into 10 raised to minus 14. So once you substitute these values, Cox will be 1.72 into 10 raised to minus 7. 5B is given by KT by Q ln of Na by Ni. So KT by Q will be approximately 26 millivolt. Substituting Na and Ni value, phi b will be 0.36, and formula for Qb is square root of 2q ESI Na into 2 phi b. So Q value 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. Permittivity of silicon is 11.9 times of epsilon naught. Na value is given as 1.8 into 10 raised to 16, and phi b is 0.3628. So once you substitute and simplify, Qb will be 6.63 into 10 raised to minus 8. So substituting all these in threshold voltage formula, threshold voltage is 0.209 volt. Since they are asked to calculate Vt for an N transistor, so threshold voltage for N transistor will always be a positive value, whereas if it is PMOS, threshold voltage will be negative value. So the next problem statement is, find the value of body effect parameter and threshold voltage when applied substrate bias is 3 volt, given VTH naught 0.4 volt, doping concentration 10 raised to 16 per centimeter cube, thermal equivalent voltage 26 millivolt, carrier concentration is 1.5 into 10 raised to 10 per centimeter cube, thickness of oxide layer 40 nanometer. So thermal equivalent voltage is given as 26 millivolt. Thermal equivalent voltage is nothing but Kt by Q. Substrate bias, that is VSB, is 3 volt. Thickness is given as 40 nanometer. That is 40 into 10 raised to minus 9 meters. Once converted into centimeter, Tox will be 40 into 10 raised to minus 7. Since they have asked you to calculate the body effect and threshold voltage, we'll be using second formula of threshold voltage. That is threshold voltage which includes body effect parameter. So the formula is Vt equals to Vth naught plus gamma, that is body effect parameter, multiplied with square root of 2 phi b plus Vsb minus square root of 2 phi b. So first let us calculate phi b. Phi b is given by Kt by Q, ln of Na by Ni. Kt by Q is given as 26 millivolt, ln Na and Ni values are given. Once you substitute this, phi b is 0.34. Oxide capacitance Cox is given by Eox by Tox. Eox is 3.9 times of epsilon naught. Thickness is given as 40 into 10 raised to minus 7. So once simplified, oxide capacitance is 8.632 into 10 raised to minus 8. So with these we can calculate body effect parameter. Body effect is given by square root of 2q ESI into Na divided by Cox. So Q value 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. Substituting Cox Na value, body effect parameter is 0.672. So with this we can calculate threshold voltage. So here we will be considering the second formula of threshold voltage, that is which includes body effect parameter. So formula is Vt equals to Vth naught plus gamma into square root of 2 phi b plus Vsb minus square root of 2 phi b. Vth naught is given as 0.4. Body effect parameter is calculated, whose value is 0.672, and phi b is 0.3486. Substrate bias is given as 3 volt. So once substituted and simplified, threshold voltage is 1.13 volt.